Welcome to Stock Designs, and in this video I want to teach you guys how to create neon text in Inkscape. But before we begin, I would like to ask that you like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you're notified every time I post. And then without further ado, let's get into today's video. So I want you to start off by creating a new document so that you have a canvas to work on. And now what I want you to do is to grab your text tool and draw out and write out the word neon. Make sure that the color is in a pinkish purple, or the colors that you're going to use to make the neon. I'm going to try to make it to a more bubblegum pink, just like as I've done here. And then what I want you to do is to grab the text tool, put it to a place where you'll be able to see. Then I want you to grab it, press Ctrl D and duplicate, and then move the duplicate to the top and change its color to white. Then I want you to grab both of them. Make sure that you have selected both of the texts, the pink one and the white one. Then I want you to go to filters, no, not filters, extensions, generate from path, interpolate between paths. And then the exponent, I want you to set it to 0, 0, interpolation steps, keep at 2, interpolate style enabled. Use those same exact settings. Then I want you to go to path, then object to path. Oh, make object to path before you do the interpolate. Interpolation method, split paths into segments, duplicate end paths off, use the order off. And as you can see, those are the interpolations that it is giving you. Just want you to take them, move them to the top so that they're in between. The two text letters. And then what I want you to do is to select the grouped objects, object tab, ungroup. Then I want you to select the first one, stroke style, and I want you to create a stroke of about 15 or so in pixels. Make the stroke color the same color as the fill color. Just so it looks more like that. Maybe I'm gonna increase the stroke style width by a little bit just to make it bigger. Yeah, I think 21 works just fine. Then selection tool, you select the next one, stroke style, and make sure that the stroke color you added is the same color as the fill color. So D, hold shift, and create the stroke. I'm going to make the second one 16 and the third one I'll make 7 for the stroke width. So make sure that you hold shift when you're trying to get the stroke color. Make sure that you're holding shift. Then the width, we're going to make it 7. Now what I want you to do is to select the bottom one and up the blur to 20. So that it looks blurred out. I want you to select the last one and up it to the top, and select the second to the top, up it to the top, then the top one and move to the top, so that, and do it in that direct order so that we can see. And then what I want you to do is just to select everything relative to last selected, center on the horizontal axis and the vertical axis, and just like that you have created neon text in Inkscape. Just select all of it, go to the path tab and click group. I hope you enjoyed this video, and again I'd like to ask that you like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you're notified every time I post, and then I'll see you guys in the next video.